After a power surge, the Nest thermostat for one of my two HVAC systems has stopped receiving power from either the C or R wire. I suspected the transformer and have just replaced it, but there is still no power on the C wire. The rest of the system works fine, the thermostat activates the system properly and the blowers work properly, but the thermostat itself is unable to stay charged. I've tested the same thermostat location with a different Nest thermostat, and I get the same error.
Hello, check for 24 vac between R and C where the Nest thermostat wires attach inside the blower compartment of the furnace. Let me know what you find, we can go from there. Important note about rating my work: I am a retired mechanical engineer and HVAC/electrical/refrigeration and boiler contractor, with 56 years in this business. The last 20 of those years consulting for major firms nationally. All I ask is please respect me and my input by selecting the rating link at the top of your page. That is the only way I am credited through the site. Rating does not affect your charges nor ability to refund if not satisfied. If you need to be coached through a full diagnosis/repair, and wiring etc. for up to 2 days, and wish to be trained to use test instruments. That goes well beyond just a simple answer, of course, and goes beyond what most other experts here offer. Rate my simple answer so far positively. And I will deliver that training and coaching to you all on the same dime, so to speak. Attach a close-up photo of the wiring diagram glued to the inside of the blower access door, and I will mark it up with troubleshooting instructions, then follow up with step-by-step training and coaching until you have a solution. Photo must be exceedingly well focused. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photo to me. Phone call offers: if you wish to accept the company's $25 phone call offer, if indeed they send you one, this will go a lot faster, but it is 100% optional. Or we can continue here in this dialog box at no additional charge.
Will do. I need to grab a new multimeter, so we'll reply in the next couple of hours. Thank you.
That works.
Okay, I'm getting 24-28 vac between R and C both at the furnace and at the thermostat, but the Nest is still complaining about no power on C and the battery is not charging. Now I'm wondering if it could be something fried in the Nest baseplate. I tried the other Nest thermostat on the same baseplate again, and got the same error. Hi, can we reopen this? I went ahead and reviewed you and I think it closed the case inadvertently. I've just received a new backplate from Nest, and now the Nest doesn't detect that it's connected to the backplate at all. I tried both of my thermostats plugged into the new backplate, and they both complain please attach the display to its base. I've already tested R to C and it's holding steady at 27 vac. Any other ideas? The thermostat itself won't let me get beyond that error message.
Hello, we can continue from here. Look for bent or distorted pin connections on the backplate. Make sure that you still have 24 vac between R and C on the backplate, and that the R and C wires are solidly attached when you pull on them.
I think I got it. It seems like it was a flaky connection between the thermostat and baseplate after all. I retucked the wires and pushed hard and finally got a connection and everything came online. Thanks again for your help.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.